Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to log into your Logitech account using a web browser. So let's get started. Open your browser, navigate to your search engine and head to www.logitech.com. Hit search. This is the official Logitech homepage. Now tap on the 3-line menu icon at the top right corner to access site options. Scroll down and tap on My Account. So here enter your email address associated with your Logitech account. Then type in your password. If you cannot remember your password, simply tap on Forgot Password to retrieve it via email. Once you have entered your login details, go ahead and tap on Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged in instantly. You can now access your account, manage devices, download software, and more. And that's how you log into your Logitech account using a browser. If this video helped you out, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.